Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, we're going to do a clean and decorate my master bedroom with me today. I'm going to rearrange my bedroom back to its original state for my new bedroom furniture that is coming very soon. If you are new here, my name is Imani. I do things all home decor, home decorating, and home installation. And if you like those kinds of videos, do not forget to subscribe before you leave out. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey, y'all, welcome back to the channel, guys. I appreciate you guys always. And guys, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, guys, let's get into it.
Already took down my mirrors on the wall, y'all. I just could not wait. I'm super anxious, and I have to have a clear space and a clear head whenever I'm about to decorate a new space. And so basically I took my mirrors off the wall already, and basically all we gotta do now is move the stuff off the bed. I do want to break my bed down and kind of get it out the way. My new bed will be here in like 2 days. We're gonna go ahead and move the bed and stuff out the way. And let me see. Memory foam mattress. So that's my mattress right there. I kind of want to move this out the way just so I can get back here. Let me see. This thing heavy. Ooh, this thing heavy, y'all. If this thing was to fall on me, girl, up. See? See what I'm saying? This thing is big. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna move the bed probably to the middle of the wall. These are the mirrors that was on my wall right here, y'all. I just kind of put them up here just to see how they look, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them once I do my accent wall. I could put them back up, I guess. Okay, y'all, so I put both of the mirrors back up, My little side tables that I had in here, I put in the living room because it just looks better in there. Plus, like I said, when I get my new stuff, I want to get some nightstands anyway, but I got to shop for those. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this table. Sometimes I want to keep it in here, but sometimes I don't. I'm honestly torn between the tables, but I do know for a fact what I do want is that accent wall, and my bed is coming. Not sure what I'll do with the mirrors, but definitely that accent wall, my nightstands, my new bed and bedding. Basically, I had just like put my little mirrors back up or whatever. And like I said, I just pretty much just put it back like how it was originally. And which I haven't had like this in a while. That's why I call it like a rearrange, because I had like that that one look. And I do feel like I do like the mirror right here. I don't know. Comment below and tell what you guys think. But I don't mind the mirror right here. Comment below, let me know. Either right here or somewhere else. I'm not even sure. But yeah. So I got this mirror right here. And then this is the headboard. Don't even know what I'm gonna do with the headboard, y'all. It's to the point where I might just have to get this bed to the Goodwill. And it was on like $100, so you know, it wasn't that bad. I was blessed to be able to get it, and I blessed somebody else with it. My little desk in the corner. And there's my curtains you guys already seen before. And as you see, just pretty much plain Jane. And then over here, as you guys know, I still got my dresser. And then I end up putting my flowers in here from Rose Forever. I think they look really good in here, and they're gonna go really good with the complete look. So I end up putting my flowers in here, and then I still got my mirror box. So basically all this decor is probably gonna stay on here. I might add a little something, I might not, I'm not sure. My same dresser from Ikea, which I love. My curtains that I got from Amazon, you guys already seen those. The black velvet curtains, and they're pretty nice. I think those curtains are 95 or 96 inches. So yeah, you guys seen those, and I raised them all the way up to the ceiling. I need everything clear at this point, because that's how I'm able to see my vision of what I'm gonna do next when I do have a clear space and able to create. So, but yes, this is how the room is looking right now. Pretty much back to its original state. And yeah, guys, I also threw my rug out. It was filthy. So I do want like a light color rug, but like maybe like a gray, maybe like similar to the one that I have in my living room to put up under here with my new bed. I'm super excited for the new bed, guys, and my new nightstand. I still have to do that accent wall. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at with everything. I will be recording, doing the accent wall, and then obviously the tour once I get everything together. I'm glad I got like the main stuff that I need, like my dresser, my curtains, stuff like that, and just like my color, which is the black obviously and the white. But yeah, so that's basically today's video. I basically went to clean the room and rearrange it back to its original state. As you guys seen, it was pushed against my wall where my window was. So that's where it was, and this is where it is now. So I'm gonna miss this headboard, I'm not gonna lie. I want the real platform bed that actually got the sides to it. It's gonna be super cute. I'm super excited to show you guys how everything turned out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for tuning in on my video today. And yeah, I love you guys. Have a good day.